Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Extracting data from an SAP system using Python can be accomplished through various methods, with one of the most common being the use of the PyRFC library, which allows for RFC, remote function call, communication with SAP. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to extract data from an SAP system using Python, along with a code example. Prerequisites. 1. SAP system access. Ensure you have access to an SAP system and the necessary credentials, username, password, client, etc. 2. Python environment. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. 3. Install required libraries. You will need the PyRFC library to connect to SAP. You can install it via pip. 4. SAP NetWeaver RFC SDK. The PyRFC library requires the SAP NetWeaver RFC SDK to be installed on your machine. You can download it from the SAP Service Marketplace, requires an SAP account. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Set up SAP connection parameters. First, create a Python script and define the connection parameters to your SAP system. Step 2. Establish a connection to SAP. Next, use the connection parameters to establish a connection to the SAP system. Step 3. Call an RFC function module. You can call an RFC function module to extract data. For example, let's use the RFC_read_table function module, which allows you to read data from a specified table. Step 4. Process the retrieved data. The data returned from the RFC_read_table function will be in a structured format. You can process and display it as needed. Complete code example. Combining all the steps above, here's a complete example script. Important notes. 1. Error handling. Always include error handling in your scripts to manage exceptions and connection errors. 2. Data security. Make sure not to hard-code sensitive information like passwords. Consider using environment variables or configuration files. 3. Data volume. Be cautious when extracting large data sets, consider pagination and limits to avoid overwhelming the system. 4. SAP authorizations. Ensure that the user account you are using has the necessary authorizations to access the specific tables and data you want to extract. By following these steps, you can successfully extract data from an SAP system using Python. Adjust the code according to your specific requirements and SAP environment.